name is not important. What is important is I am here as the President and Chief Dead Chemist of the Dead Chemist Society. And it is our pleasure each year at this time to sponsor this event as part of our fall membership drive, with the hope that one of these demonstrations will go terribly wrong with some new members. Well, as you probably know, to become a member of the Dead Chemist Society, there are only two requirements. You must be a chemist, and you must be dead. If you do not have both of these fulfilled, for example, the second, we may be able to help you with that after the show. But I know some of you are students and maybe are wondering whether students can join the Dead Chemist Society. Well, actually, we do have a student affiliates of the Dead Chemist Society, otherwise known as the SAD Chemists. Under that auspices if you would wish to. Now, at this time, I'd like to introduce some dead chemists and interesting ways in which they joined our organization. I'd like to tell you about two, Marie Curie and her husband Pierre. Marie Curie was born in Poland, and actually at a young age met Mendeleev, the famous periodic table Mendeleev, who predicted great things of her chemistry prowess. She had to flee Poland when the Russian secret police were skeptical of her revolutionary ways, and so she went to Paris. In Paris, she went to the Sorbonne, studied there, and discovered many elements, such as radium, received many Nobel Prizes, well, two, which was many, the first person to win 2 Nobel Prizes, and met Pierre. They got married. Pierre was a professor at the Sorbonne. He also helped her in many of her activities, but unfortunately he joined our society, or fortunately for us, joined our society in 1906 when, coming back from a dinner at the faculty club, he stepped into the street, was hit by a cab, fell over, and a truck crushed his head. One of the more graphic ways to join our organization. Marie then took his position at the Sorbonne, being the first professor, female professor at the Sorbonne, and went on to do great work until about 1934 when she joined our society when she died from leukemia from all her exposure to radiation. So those are some of the festive stories about ways to join our organization, and I'll be back later to give you more information about our fall membership drive.